Finding the equation of a perpendicular bisector of a line segment is a very common question, so you must remember what to do. First, bisect, which means that it's cut AB to two equal parts at the midpoint. We may let the midpoint be M, and then we have to draw a line which is perpendicular to AB. At the same time, pass through the midpoint of AB. So that's our target, is to get the equation of this blue line. And then when we find the equation first, we have to find out the point M first. That's the midpoint of AB, so we have the x-coordinate average, 3 plus 27 divided by 2. And also, the y-coordinate is the y-coordinate average, so which is 20 plus 12 divided by 2. So it's 15, 16. We have this coordinate 15, 16, which is the midpoint. Moreover, this is perpendicular, so it's related to slope. We are now going to get the slope of AB, and then by the slope of AB, we know that the product is -1. That's why we can trace back what is the slope of our required line. So slope AB first is 20 minus 12 over 3 minus 27. And then we get -1 over 3. After that, it's because the fact that AB perpendicular to our line L. So slope times slope AB is equal to -1. The slope of our target is +3. Then we can get all the information we need, and then we can finish it. Again, always for straight line slope equal to slope, we prepare a general point and then compare with the passing point. Y minus 16 over x minus 15 is equal to 3. So this is part A, and then in part B, we have to check the midpoint of BC. Is this midpoint line on this blue line? From this graph, it looks like it is. We have to test by calculation, of course. In part B, first we concern the midpoint of CD. X-coordinate average and also y-coordinate average of CB, which is 12, 7. So go back to the question. They say that does the midpoint of BC line on the perpendicular bisector, we call that L here. That means they ask you, does 12, 7, this point, lie on L? That means they are asking you when x is equal to 12, is y equal to 7? They are asking you this one. That's why we are consider for L y equal to 3x minus 29. When x is equal to 12, y is equal to 3 times 12 minus 29. 36 minus 29, we get 7. So our response is yes. Therefore, 12, 7 lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB. We find out when x is equal to 12, then the y-coordinate on this line is also 7. It's not always, but in this question, in this specific situation, that this perpendicular bisector passes through the midpoint of BC. And based on the geometry we learned, which is called intercept theorem, a little bit more is the blue line here parallel to AC. But if you don't know that, it's still fine. At least make sure you know how to check whether a point lie on a line.